Brutalist bridge houses are more than architectural statements, they're bold connections between human living and raw, untouched nature. In today's video, we explore how these monumental structures elevate the concept of home by stretching across landscapes with dramatic concrete spans. Welcome to ArchiThings, where design meets imagination. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the world of architectural innovation. Your support helps us bring you more inspiring content every week. And of course, drop a like if you enjoy this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of living in a home that stretches over a ravine or river? Let's begin. Brutalism is characterized by its unapologetic use of raw concrete, bold geometric forms, and a sense of monumental presence. When this architectural style is applied to residential structures, it transforms the idea of home into something sculptural and powerful. Brutalist bridge houses amplify this ethos by suspending living spaces in midair, allowing the material's heavy solidity to contrast with the openness of the landscape below. It's a dramatic interplay between weight and void. This architectural philosophy doesn't hide its structure, instead, it celebrates it. Every beam, support, and slab becomes part of the aesthetic experience, expressing strength and honesty. The idea of building a house as a bridge often emerges from a desire to preserve the terrain. Instead of reshaping the land, architects allow the home to float above it, minimizing disruption to ecosystems. This approach also creates unparalleled vantage points. By elevating the structure, residents enjoy sweeping views of forests, rivers, cliffs, and valleys, experiencing nature in ways impossible from a ground-level home. Functionally, spanning a gap can provide stability in regions prone to erosion or flooding, making the bridge-like configuration a practical solution rather than just an aesthetic one. Concrete remains the core material of brutalist design due to its strength, malleability, and capacity for visual drama. In bridge houses, concrete becomes both the skeleton and the skin, delivering structural integrity across wide spans. Architects often choose concrete not only for durability but for its ability to age gracefully within natural environments. Moss, rain, and sun leave subtle marks that enhance its raw, timeless beauty. The material's mass also contributes to thermal stability, creating interior spaces that remain comfortable despite exterior temperature swings, an understated benefit of brutalist design. For a bridge house to succeed structurally, anchoring points on both sides of the span must be engineered with precision. These supports usually embed deeply into bedrock or reinforced foundations to counterbalance the home's weight. The result is a structure that appears to defy gravity while actually relying on meticulously calculated engineering. Each anchorage becomes a silent guardian ensuring stability and longevity. In some designs, anchoring is concealed within the landscape; in others, it stands proudly exposed as part of the architectural narrative, emphasizing brutalism's love for honesty. Bridge houses offer opportunities for unique interior layouts. Long, linear floor plans often follow the span, creating rooms that flow from one end of the bridge to the other. Large windows and corridor-like living spaces enhance the feeling of hovering above the landscape, producing an exhilarating sense of openness and motion. Architects strategically place heavier spaces, like kitchens or libraries, near the anchor points, while lighter areas such as living rooms extend toward the floating center of the home. Brutalist bridge houses use light in transformative ways. Narrow slits, deep overhangs, and exposed beams cast dynamic shadows that shift throughout the day. The concrete surfaces amplify these interactions, creating patterns that animate the home's interior and exterior. Light becomes part of the architecture, never static, always evolving. At night, carefully placed lighting turns the home into a glowing line across the landscape, emphasizing its bridge-like nature in a completely different atmosphere. Despite their imposing appearance, brutalist bridge houses often integrate beautifully into natural settings. Their muted tones and rugged textures echo stone cliffs, riverbeds, and forest floors. By lifting the structure, surrounding vegetation and wildlife can thrive underneath. The home becomes part of the ecosystem rather than a disruption. This elevation also helps manage natural water flow and prevents soil compaction, supporting sustainable land stewardship. Living in a bridge house means embracing the soundscape of the environment below. Rivers rush, winds sweep through valleys, and rain drums against concrete. These sounds create a deeply immersive atmosphere, heightening the sense of being suspended between earth and sky. Inside, careful acoustic design prevents echoes common in concrete structures, ensuring a tranquil and balanced interior environment. The structural demands of a bridge house are far greater than those of traditional homes. Engineers collaborate closely with architects to design load-bearing solutions that can span wide distances without sagging or shifting. Steel reinforcements, tension cables, and cantilevered platforms often play crucial roles, hidden beneath the concrete surface. These elements allow the home to remain rigid and safe. Each bridge house becomes a collaborative masterpiece, where architecture, engineering, and landscape design converge into a single bold vision. Several architects have explored the concept of bridge houses, from dramatic canyon-spanning homes in North America to lush forest bridge dwellings in Europe and Asia. Each brings unique interpretations of brutalist principles. Some feature long continuous spans, while others divide the home into multiple connected sections suspended across natural voids. These examples inspire new generations of designers to rethink how homes can interact with the land, boldly, respectfully, and creatively. Building a home across a span requires precise coordination and advanced construction techniques. Access to the site can itself be a challenge, especially in remote cliffside or forest locations. Workers often rely on scaffolding, cranes, and sometimes even temporary suspension systems to position materials accurately. Safety becomes paramount throughout every phase. Despite these challenges, the payoff is extraordinary, a home that becomes an engineering achievement as well as a living space. Residents of bridge houses frequently describe the experience as deeply calming yet thrilling. The elevated perspective creates a sense of freedom that typical ground-level homes cannot replicate. The architecture encourages mindfulness. Every window, corridor, and angle reminds inhabitants of their unique place within the landscape. And although concrete may seem cold, thoughtful interior design introduces warmth through wood, textiles, and lighting, balancing brutalism's raw character with comfort. Bridge houses can incorporate sustainability effortlessly due to their elevation. Natural ventilation flows easily beneath and through the structure, reducing cooling needs. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs can blend seamlessly with the home's modern design. These features complement the brutalist aesthetic rather than disrupt it. Carefully chosen materials and efficient layouts also ensure that energy consumption remains low, despite the dramatic architecture. Advances in materials and digital modeling have expanded what architects can achieve with bridge houses. Ultra-high-performance concrete and carbon fiber reinforcements create lighter, stronger spans. "3D modeling allows designers to simulate stresses, environmental effects, and lighting scenarios before construction even begins, optimizing every detail. These technologies invite new forms and possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what living between landscapes can mean. Brutalist bridge houses evoke strong emotional responses, from awe to serenity. Their bold forms contrast with the softness of nature, resulting in a poetic relationship between human craftsmanship and the organic world. Residents often develop a deeper appreciation for their surroundings, experiencing weather, seasons, and wildlife from entirely new vantage points. Ultimately, these structures redefine domestic life as an ongoing dialogue between shelter and environment, raw, honest, and unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of brutalist bridge houses, a remarkable fusion of engineering, design, and natural beauty that challenges our expectations of home. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps our channel grow and supports future episodes of ArchiThings. We appreciate your time and curiosity. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.